Hey everybody, it is Super Bowl Sunday. Who do you got? Bengals, Rams. We're here at Universal Studios Orlando for Mardi Gras. We're gonna go inside. I got a couple of surprises up my sleeve. Should be exciting. Follow me, we got the big game on tap. Everybody, we're enjoying Mardi Gras here at Universal Studios Orlando, and I'm looking for a card shop. Somebody told me there's one in the town of Springfield. Let's head that way. So here we go, the 2020 Optic Football Mega Box. We get one autograph, one memorabilia card, Super Bowl week. We're here in Springfield. Mardi Gras is also going on in the background. So we're here at the most famous baseball card shop, Simpsons edition. There we go. 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. We're gonna start off with our memorabilia card here. Let's go back this way. Let's reveal that first hit. Evan Ingram, New York Giants patch card. We'll sleeve him up. There's the cheetah, Tyreek Hill. Dominators, Aaron Jones. Our first rated rookie, Michael Pittman Jr. We got something gold or something silver in there. There's Josh Allen. Let's go this way. Tavon Diggs, rookie. Let's see what our silver card is. DK Metcalf. Kyle Duggar, rookie, Patriots. And there's Gabriel Davis, rated rookie. He had a monster game against the Kansas City Chiefs, 4 touchdowns in that playoff loss. for the Buffalo Bills. Hey, look at that, brothers, J.J. Watt, T.J. Watt. There we go, we got a silver rated rookie. Let's say that for the last card. Now, what do we get? Rated rookie, C.J. Henderson. Here, Russell Wilson. Okay, down to 3 packs. Okay, we got a rookie there, so let's say that one for last. All right, which rookie did we pull? Jarek Willis. All right. Let's see if that auto was in that last pack. Jerry Jeudy, rated rookie. DeAndre Swift, rated rookie. All right, last pack. That means our auto is in our last pack, which means we're going to finish off strong here at Springfield at the Androids Dungeon and Baseball Card Shop. There we go. Let's see if we can pull one of those star rookie quarterbacks. Antoine Winfield Jr., Taysom Hill. All right, Dak Prescott. Here goes our auto. Kevin Dyson, Signature Series. Very nice. All right, let's head back into Mardi Gras. everybody. Thanks for joining me today here at Universal Studios Orlando's Mardi Gras. The incomparable Diana Ross. It do not get better than that.
It do not.
Stay tuned for more fun videos. Till next time, from the top of my heart, see you at the parks.